Then, besides education, we're going to be focusing on self-help centers and forms. And we think those two go together. I'll tell you a little bit more about what's going on with forms in a minute, but we think that once you have forms, you also need to have one-on-one help for the litigant in filling out the forms. So that's where self-help centers come in. You heard about some of the self-help efforts that have been going on from Lisa. We also set up a committee that's going to look at helping legal service organizations expand assisted pro se.
Katie Bond. I work at the Office of Court Administration, which is a small state agency in the judicial branch. We work with judges, clerks, court staff all over the state, provide administrative IT support. Texas attorneys should know that that self-represented litigants are here. They're coming to court. We all agree that everyone should have a lawyer when they come to court. But the truth is that a lot of people are coming to court without lawyers. And recognizing that fact, there are a couple of statewide efforts going on that will hopefully help make the court system more efficient when they deal with self-represented litigants. And it will help the litigants themselves navigate the system better. The Supreme Court of Texas has just appointed a task force that will come up with a list of forms and develop the forms, or help develop the forms that will be standardized all over the state and recommended for approval to the court. And once they're approved, it would be mandatory that they be accepted. You don't have to use them, but if a litigant brings them into court, then they have to be accepted. That's one really important aspect of providing services to self-represented litigants. And then a statewide committee has been formed. It's a committee of the Access to Justice Commission, and it's going to be focusing on helping develop and expand some of the different programs that are already going on around the country and that have been successful in other states, bring those to Texas.
Will be in, say, 5 years.
I hope that there will be self-help centers in as many counties as we can help them develop. I hope that courts will be able to process the cases that have self-represented litigants more efficiently, faster. I hope that the clients get access, the litigants get access to the court system in a way that leaves them with more confidence in the judicial system. And I hope that lawyers who may be worried about losing clients because of some of these different efforts to help self-represented litigants will realize that there are ways for them to be involved. They can provide pro bono services in a clinic to self-represented litigants. There are some assisted pro se clinics around the state. And then there hopefully will be more programs where lawyers can provide limited scope representation and provide assistance to litigants who may be pro se on part of their case but need a lawyer on another part of the case. And so that those would be opportunities for lawyers to benefit from some of these strategies that we're trying to develop.